Anybody and everybody who is in good general health, good oral health is a candidate for implants. If you want to replace one tooth or multiple teeth, rest assured that we will provide you with the best treatment option. Here are 3 ways that dental implant can improve your life. First is the chewing ability. Implant will restore almost 100% of your chewing ability. So you can be out in public with your friends, with your family, enjoying the steak and that crispy apple that you always wanted. Second, dental implant can restore your teeth, your smile, not only chewing ability, restoring your smile to what it used to be when you used to smile and laugh loudly in public. The third reason why you want to replace your teeth with dental implant is the dental implant can save your bone. By placing a denture, for example, something that moves in your mouth, that there will be a lot of pressure on the bone, you will lose a lot of it. So by placing dental implant in your jawbone, that will keep your bone in place. We as periodontists can help you enjoy your new smile for a very long time. Call us and schedule your free implant consultation.